Hey everybody, this is Beauty.
And this is Beast, #1.
Back with another video. But this video that we're doing is a little bit different from all the other videos that we done. We want to bring to you this snack pack that we received in the mail. Well, that I discovered on Facebook. And decided to give it a try just to see if it was legit or not. And guess what? It is legit. So without further ado, we're going to get straight to the video and show you guys exactly what it is that we're talking about. Okay, y'all, so here it goes right here. We ordered this snack crate. I seen the ad on Facebook, so I decided to give it a spin and see how legit it was. So I want to see what's in the box. We just got it, so I'm going to get ready to open it up right now for you guys. Well, that's everything that came in the box. Stay tuned and we'll let you know how everything tastes. And let you know if it was worth it or not. I think, what did we pay for this? I think
$19.
Yeah, it was like 19 bucks. So,
but if you stay on the monthly plan, they send you pieces of boxes for all across the world.
Yeah, so this was our first box and it came from Hawaii. So
yeah,
we're going to give it a try. We're going to give it a try and we let you guys know how it tastes.